We are discuss to Indian Navy vacancy detail, and you watch last video last, and know more about this video detail. And if you like, you can subscribe and share this video also. Indian Navy join Indian Navy Testament Recruitment 2022. This release date 22 February 2022 and last date 20 March 2022. Last date and complete form last date 20 March 2022. Application fee 0. All candidate no application fee, and minimum 18 year, maximum age 25 years, and total number of vacancy 1531. Eligibility criteria: post name tradesman, UR 697, EW 141, OBC 385, SC 215 and ST के लिए for ST 93 and total number of vacancy 531. Eligibility criteria: pass high school, all India, any recognized board, or apprentice training in the trade. Board with apprentice training in with the trade, or mechanic, or 2-year regular service in appropriate technical branch of Army, Navy, Air Force. If you are eligible, you can apply now. When application begin, and how to fill form? So this form you can apply online through, and link activate 20 February 2022. This short detail and next detail. This is for bachelor degree. The Indian Navy Nausena Bharti 2022 application begin 25 February 2022. Last date apply for registration 12 March 2022, and exam date notification on general, OBC, SC, ST all category 0 fees. Total number of vacancy 155 post, and general service hydro cadre post name, and air traffic control ATC 6 post, and skip this post 40 men and women. Eligibility criteria: B BTech any stream, minimum 60% marks, recognized any University of India, and age limit 1998 to 17/2003. If your age limit is between, you can apply, and you are eligible for applying this form. And next, air traffic control ATC. Eligibility criteria: B BTech any stream, 60% mark, and age limit 1/1/2002, last between 1998. Naval Armament Inspectorate Corded NAIC 6 men and women, both are you can apply, and B BTech 60% marks, and communication, electronics, electrical, telecommunication, science, computer equivalent or PG degree electronics, you can apply, both are age limit same. First vacancy detail: observer 8 vacancy, men and women, B BTech, and age limit 2/1/1999 to 1/1/2004, and pilot 50 post, men and women, same eligibility criteria. Logistic 18 vacancy, men and women, both are eligible. Apply 2/1/1998 to 1/7/2003. You can apply if your date of birth between this criteria. How to apply? So online through you can apply, and you can read video push and save your time. Indian Navy branch vacancy, you can see this and save your important time. How to apply? So you can apply online through, and link activated 25 February 2022. This is short detail and complete short detail. If you have any doubt regarding this vacancy, you can discuss in comment box, and you can ask me any question, any query. I hope so. Meet to next video. Thanks for watching.